Select and Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2003 Nissan 350Z, stock number 6686. This ran from the 12th 2002 to the 10th 2005. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a VQ35 DE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front guard, 3 dents. Left front 17-inch factory Litre tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory Litre tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Litre tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch, centre console, auto manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.